What's up, Kia? Too technical. So today we're going to do what's on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So this is currently my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, as you can see. So I've had some time to customize this device the way I wanted to, and we're just going to go over that right now. So this is what I currently have on my always on display. So I just have the time, the calendar events, and my battery, even though I have the battery percent up there. Then when I go in and unlock my device, this is my first main home screen. As you can see, I went with like the nothing kind of look and feel, and I really like how that looks up against this wallpaper. I believe I found this wallpaper off of Pinterest. But so this is a KWGT widget. So I'll try to make sure I can drop a link in the description to the widget the widgets I'm using, and the icon pack that I'm using also. But this is a WKTG widget. The widget is a paid widget. It's called Everything widget, which it mocks the nothing widgets in look and feel. So it pretty much just tells me the time and what day it is. And then below that, I have the camera app, the folder app, and the gallery, Facebook, X, TikTok, Instagram, Threads, and Telegram X, because these are the apps that I use mostly on the day-to-day basis when it comes to my social media. These are the apps that I'm always on. So I like to have quick access to those. And then down below, I have access to Google, to the search bar. So I'm able to just get in there and search something that I want to search. This actually is this is a custom widget from KWGT. This also follows the Everything widget. They have a widget for Google, and I'm ending up using that. Then at the bottom here, I have five icons. So I pretty much just have my telephone, my Google Play Store. This is my YouTube Studio app, so I can get quick access in there to see what's going on with my channel. Then I also have my Settings app, and then YouTube app. If I want to just start watching something on YouTube, I have access to that. Then on the side, I am using Edge panels, but I'm only using it for my contacts. So these are people that I call on a day-to-day basis in my family, whether it's family or friends. Then if you slide over, this is what the second home screen is currently looking like. As you can see, I really like that. So this is the Everything widget once again. So I have the weather, so I can keep up with the weather. Then I have their music player widget at the bottom. I'm only rocking 2 home screens. And then when you open it up, you do get the exact same layout on my inner display. The reason why I have it set to the cover screen showing on the inner screen is because the apps are a lot smaller when you have it to mirror your your cover display on your inner display, because I tried to do this setup already, but it looked kind of nasty when I was able to have it to where it's not copying the cover screen. So right now I'm just on the cover screen, but then when I open up my device, then it gives me access to text messaging, so I can get in here and just do a quick text message if I want to do that. But this is currently how I have my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 set up. And then if we slide up, here are some of the other apps that I am currently using on my device. So now let's just go into I made the theme myself though, so now let's just go into theme park so you can see what I have set there in theme park. And then I'm going to walk you through my home screen layout on Good Lock. So pretty much I made this on my own. I just usually, when I make these things, I just find the wallpaper and try to find icons that kind of will look good with that wallpaper. So if we go in here, we can edit it. And this is everything that I've changed on ThinkPark. So my keyboard, I have it to where it's all blackened out. There are a little bit of squares you can see there, but I have it to where it's all blacked out. And then when I'm typing on my keyboard, it'll do the letter in orange. That orange is brown color. This is what my quick panel is currently looking like, my notification panel. My text messaging app, the text messaging app, because I'm currently using Samsung Messages only because you can have RCS messaging with Samsung. So that's why I'm using that. Then you don't get to customize your dialer or your settings or this, but that is currently what I have it set to. And then I have my icon pack. Like I said, I'm using, it's called Dot Icon Pack. So like I said, I'm gonna make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go download these for yourself. And then this is how my volume panel looks. It's taken on the same color of that wallpaper because I like to have everything matching up. So now if we go into Good Lock, I currently have everything set. I have my home cover screen grid is 7x7. Favorite max count, which is the apps on my dock. I currently have that set to 8. I have show favorites. That's the dock. I have app cover screen grid 5x6. My folder cover screen grid is 4x4. My folder icon grid, if I wanted to use that, is 3x3. And then I have pop folder cut off, and then I have large folders cut off. Then I have apply folder background color if that's something that I wanted to do. And then I have the background blur control on. And that is currently how I have my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 set up. And this does constantly change, but right now I'm gonna leave it with this setup because I'm pretty happy with what I've created here. And I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.